Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do just a little late night clean with me. I had worked all day. I needed to get several things done before the next morning, so I'm just going to take you guys along and get my house straightened up. So hopefully this gives you just a little bit of motivation to get your little bitty things done that you have to do, whether it be really late at night or early in the morning. Some things you just have to get done before you go to bed or before you go to work, and that's where I'm at this point. I have to get this stuff done before I head to bed. So if you have some things that you need to get done, let's go and let's get into it.
Baby, I could be the only one. Make up your mind. I know you want it. I know you need it. Come on, show.
I'm starting off in the living room because I had some laundry that I needed to put away earlier. I have been trying to do better with laundry because that is my least favorite task that I need to do. So what I've been trying to do is at least do one load a night. If I can't do one load a night, the next night I try to do 2 loads. So I'm trying to get a hold of the laundry situation. I hate doing it, but I don't always get far. I either finish it to where I put it in the washer, put it in the dryer, bring it upstairs, and I fold it all, but then it stays on the couch. I don't put it in the kids' room or in our room where it needs to go. Half the time I do this stuff at nighttime, so my kids are already in bed and I don't want to wake them up. So I just leave it on the couch for the next day, and if they need something for school, they get it off the couch, and then later on that day after work, I'll put everything away. So that's what I did here. And this video was, I had just done laundry the night before. I didn't put it away, but I put it away when I got home from work. So I'm just going around and I'm just going to give everything a really good dusting, wipe everything down, and then I'm going to vacuum and I'm going to mop. My puppy dog always walks everywhere through the house, so I try to vacuum and mop as often as I can. Quite a bit, actually, because I don't like my floors to be dirty or disgusting. So I wanted to make sure that I was going to vacuum and mop tonight. So that's what I'm going to do here.
Maybe I'm crazy, trying to fight it. Always been patient, now I can't wait no more. Been holding it back so long. Telephone calling, what can I say? It's all an illusion, and I'm better off this way. I'm running from yesterday. How could I wait while you're walking away? I feel so much better alone. Still I'm used to coming back. You be the last in line. Be letting you waste my time. Every second I lose my mind. Now I'm ready to dance the night away. While we're watching the world go by, keep trying to reach the sky. Every hour I lose my mind. Now I'm ready to dance the night away. Maybe I'm crazy, trying so hard for something amazing. I don't understand it at all. I guess it should be that way. Telephone calling, you tell me you're gone. You got all the reasons we don't expect. You're just the same old wreck. And how could I wait while you're walking away? I feel so much better alone. Still I'm used to coming back. You be the last in line. Be letting.
Okay, so now I'm going to head into the kitchen. I have a few things I need to straighten up here. I'm going to unload the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, and wipe everything down, throw all the trash away. This morning we made breakfast. I made the kids some pancakes, and then we had to rush out the door. So I just literally left everything where it was, and I just knew that I was going to deal with it later. So I'm going to get it all fixed, organized, cleaned, and put back together for the next morning so we don't have messes on top of messes. I'm just going to wipe everything down, and then I'm going to head over and start doing the dishes. And then after that, I'm going to wipe all my appliances down and vacuum and then mop.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
So here in a minute, you'll see my husband. He had just got home from work, and he's heating up his dinner. So I guess he felt like he had to show everybody. He asked me before he came into the camera. He's like, "Can I heat up my food?" But so I'm just unloading the dishwasher. I'm getting ready to load it back again, and then I'm going to move on to the next things that I have to do.
You say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along. You have always been the one. Yeah, who knew it was you?
Okay, moving on to the bathroom. Everybody got home and took showers except for me. I haven't taken my shower yet. So I'm just cleaning up the bathroom really quick, putting everything away, wiping down the countertops, or the countertop, cleaning the toilet, and then I'm going to vacuum and I'm going to mop. I'm just doing a really quick, cleaning in here. I'm not going to do any deep cleaning or anything like that. But super simple, fast, and then this room will be done. Well, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to do a little kind of nighttime routine that I do. It's really late. Whenever I was filming this, I had gotten home from work late. So I just thought I would take you along and give you that little bit of motivation that sometimes I need. I really wanted to do nothing but take a shower and go to bed this night, but I pushed myself to get it all done. So hopefully that's what this video gave you, was a little bit of push to get things done. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you're notified each time I upload. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I know